Are you looking for the best electric guitars? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best electric guitars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LyxPro Full-Size Electric Guitar Starter Kit. It sounds like you're looking for information on the LyxPro Full-Size Electric Guitar Starter Kit in Sunburst. This is a popular beginner-friendly package that includes everything needed to start playing right away. Here's a quick breakdown of what you get. What's included? LyxPro Full-Size Electric Guitar, typically a Strat-style design. 20W amplifier with basic tone controls. Digital tuner for easy tuning. Extra strings in case of breakage. Guitar picks for playing. Tremolo bar for vibrato effects. Shoulder strap for comfortable playing while standing. Carrying case for transport and storage. Pros. Complete package. Great for beginners who don't want to buy accessories separately. Decent quality for the price. Works well for learning the basics. Good starter amp. 20W is enough for home practice. Tuner and extra strings included. Useful for beginners. Cons. Basic amp not the best for long-term use, but decent for starting out. Stock strings and picks are basic, you may want to upgrade them. Guitar setup might need adjustments, some users recommend tweaking the action and intonation for better playability. Is it worth it? If you're a beginner looking for an affordable all-in-one electric guitar kit, this is a solid choice. However, if you're planning to get serious about guitar, you might eventually want to upgrade to a better amp and accessories. Number 2. GLARRY 39-inch Full-Size Electric Guitar Kit. Electric Guitar Kit. ChatGPT said, "It looks like you're interested in the GLARRY 39-inch Full-Size Electric Guitar Kit. Here's a detailed breakdown of what you get and whether it's a good choice for you. What's included in the kit? 39-inch full-size electric guitar Strat-style body, lightweight and beginner-friendly. HSS pickup configuration humbucker plus 2 single coil pickups for a variety of tones. Coil split feature allows switching between humbucker and single coil sounds. 20W amplifier good for home practice. Comes with basic tone controls. Guitar bag for easy transport and storage. Guitar cable to connect the guitar to the amp. Shoulder strap useful for playing while standing. Picks and Allen wrenches, picks for playing, wrenches for adjusting action and intonation. Pros of the GLARRY Electric Guitar Kit. Affordable and beginner-friendly, one of the best budget electric guitars for starters. HSS pickup configuration more versatile than a standard 3 single coil setup. Coil split for extra tones gives you more sound options, useful for different genres. Lightweight and comfortable, easier for beginners to hold and play. Decent amp for practice, works well for learning at home. Cons of the GLARRY kit. Basic build quality made for beginners, so materials aren't as high-end as pricier models. May need setup adjustments, some users report high action or tuning instability out of the box. Stock strings and accessories are basic, you might want to replace the strings and picks for better quality. Amp is basic, works for practice, but won't give pro-level sound. Who should buy the GLARRY kit? Beginners if you're just starting and want an affordable, complete package. Casual players if you want a simple, budget-friendly guitar for fun. Students and kids, great as a first guitar without breaking the bank. If you're planning to play rock, blues, or even light metal, the HSS pickup configuration gives you more tonal flexibility than some other beginner kits. Number 3. LyxPro 30-inch Electric Guitar Starter Kit. The LyxPro 30-inch Electric Guitar Starter Kit is a 3/4 size guitar designed specifically for kids and younger beginners. Here's a breakdown of what you get and whether it's a good choice for you or your child. What's included in the kit? 30-inch 3/4 size electric guitar, smaller and easier for kids to handle. 6 strings, standard electric guitar strings. 2 picks for playing different styles. Shoulder strap helps with standing play. Digital clip-on tuner makes tuning easy for beginners. Soft case gig bag for storage and transport. Guitar cable to connect the guitar to the amp. Small amplifier provides basic sound for practice. Pros of the LyxPro 30-inch guitar kit. Perfect for kids and small hands, 3/4 size makes it easier to hold and play. Complete starter kit comes with everything needed to begin playing. Digital tuner included helps kids tune their guitar without frustration. Soft case for portability, easy to carry around. Good value for beginners, affordable and designed for entry-level players. Cons of the LyxPro kit. Not full size, won't be suitable for older beginners or adults. Basic build quality, good for learning, but not as durable as pro-level guitars. Stock strings and amp are basic, might want to upgrade the strings and amp later. Limited lifespan, as kids grow, they may outgrow the 3/4 size and need a full-size guitar. Who is this guitar best for? Kids ages 6 to 12. The smaller size is great for younger players learning guitar. Beginner guitarists, a great way to start without a big investment. Parents looking for a gift, ideal for birthdays, holidays, or introducing a child to music. If you're looking for a full-size beginner guitar, this might be too small. But for kids or younger beginners, it's a great, affordable option to get started. Number 4. AODSK 39-inch Electric Guitar Beginner Kit. It looks like you're interested in the AODSK 39-inch Electric Guitar Beginner Kit, Black HSS. Here's a detailed breakdown of what you get, its pros and cons, and whether it's a good choice for you. What's included in the AODSK kit? 39-inch full-size solid-body electric guitar, Strat-style design. HSS pickup configuration, humbucker plus 2 single-coil pickups for versatile tones. Tremolo bar, for whammy effects and vibrato techniques. 20W guitar amplifier, basic amp for home practice. Digital clip-on tuner, makes tuning quick and easy. 6 extra strings, for replacements when needed. 4 guitar picks, different thicknesses for various playstyles. Adjustable shoulder strap, for comfortable standing play. Guitar cable, to connect to the amp. Gig bag, basic protection for storage and transport. Pros of the AODSK guitar kit. HSS pickup configuration, more tonal variety than an all-single coil setup. Tremolo bar included adds fun whammy effects for rock, blues, and pop styles. Complete starter kit comes with all necessary accessories to begin playing. 20W amp for practice, enough power for home use and small spaces. Clip-on digital tuner helps beginners tune their guitar easily. Affordable price, good value for a full-size electric guitar with accessories. Cons of the AODSK kit. Basic amp quality, works for beginners but lacks depth for experienced players. Stock strings and picks are entry-level, consider upgrading for better tone and durability. Might require setup adjustments like most budget guitars. Some users report minor intonation or action issues. Basic gig bag offers minimal protection, so consider upgrading if traveling often. Who should buy the AODSK guitar kit? Beginners and intermediate players, great for learning and experimenting with different tones. Rock, blues, and pop players, the HSS pickup setup allows for more dynamic sounds. Budget-conscious shoppers, a solid, affordable choice for a complete electric guitar package. Number 5. Donner 39-inch LP Electric Guitar Beginner Kit. It looks like you're getting more details about the Donner DLP 124S LP Electric Guitar Kit. Here's an updated summary based on the features you mentioned. Key features of the Donner DLP 124S LP Electric Guitar Kit. 1. Humbucker pickups, Donner 202S. 2 classic humbucker pickups. These provide a smooth, full tone, making it perfect for rock, blues, and other genres. Great for versatile tones. Humbuckers are known for their rich, warm sound and ability to handle overdrive and distortion, making them ideal for classic rock and blues tones. 2. Okame neck with C-shaped profile. Laurel wood fingerboard, known for a smooth playing surface with a nice tonal balance. Canadian maple neck, strong, stable, and helps with sustain. Solid basswood body, lightweight and resonant, providing a nice tonal foundation for the guitar. 3. 22 copper nickel frets. 22 frets, standard for most full-size electric guitars, providing ample range for soloing and chord progressions. Fret position marks, located on both the neck and top of the fingerboard, making it easier to navigate the fretboard. 4. 3-way pickup switch. Three-way pickup selector. Allows you to choose between the bridge pickup, neck pickup, or both, offering a wide range of tonal possibilities. Volume and tone controls. The volume knob and two tone knobs help shape the sound even further, giving you more control over the output. 5. High-quality accessories. Gig bag. Basic protection for storage and transport. Guitar strap. Comfortable for playing while standing. Guitar cable. To connect the guitar to an amplifier. Why choose the Donner DLP 124S LP electric guitar kit? Great for rock and blues. The humbuckers and basswood body provide the perfect foundation for a classic rock or blues sound, while the controls let you dial in your preferred tone. Quality build. The Okame neck and Canadian maple neck ensure a smooth, stable playing experience, while the solid basswood body gives the guitar good resonance. Versatility. With the three-way pickup switch, you can easily switch between bright bridge tones or warm neck tones, or blend them together for a more nuanced sound. Ideal for beginners and intermediate players. This kit offers all the essentials needed for someone starting their musical journey without compromising on sound quality. Who should consider the Donner DLP 124S? Beginners who love the Les Paul style guitar but want to experience humbucker tones. Rock, blues, and classic music fans. The humbucker pickups and build quality make it ideal for these genres. Players seeking a smooth, easy-to-play guitar, with its comfortable neck profile and smooth fretboard, this guitar is great for new players and those wanting to level up their skills.